Hey, what's up, Chainlink holder? This is live price prediction of Chainlink, and definitely, my friend, the price will very badly fails down. So therefore, the video is very important for all of you. Otherwise, my friend, you will be completely lost. So be safe from the lost and absolutely get a profit. My brothers, Chainlink and previous last 3 days, my friends, the coin price is very badly decreased now, minus 14.18%. The price will fails down, but don't worry, don't see this short fail. Definitely after this short fail, I am 100% sure to upcoming time there is a chance to Chainlink will wake up and moving upward. Absolutely, my friend, when a price increasing, definitely the short-term investor starting buying more and more. But my friend, sometime absolutely the short-term investor will see a huge profit, so definitely they will starting selling anytime, every day, my friend. There is a chance they will starting selling. So therefore, in those days, my friend, they will also starting selling, and therefore the price will very badly falls down from last 3 days now. And I will also, my friend, share my opinion. So kindly, if you are a long-term investor, then without any doubt hold it and wait for a good time, my friend. But if you are a short-term investor, then sell it now, because in upcoming 2 or 3 days there is a chance to the Chainlink price for more and more fails down. So be ready for risk and get a profit. I am 100% sure to in upcoming time Chainlink will give you a profit. So please, if you are a short-term investor, then sell it without any time waste. But if you are a long-term investor, don't sell it, hold it. I hope they will give you a profit. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.